Fermat introducing the SKIQ 16, completely overhauled and modernized. Get new machine performance at a significantly lower price. Our comprehensive overhaul delivers new machine precision, enhanced operator comfort, and increased productivity. Modern ergonomics, updated controls, and new safety covers create an improved working environment. Reduced operating costs with no sudden repair requirements or unexpected downtime. Higher reliability through new and reconditioned components puts the machine in 100% working order. Extended service life ensures decades of operation. You're also choosing environmental sustainability by reusing proven engineering while upgrading to modern standards.
The SKIQ 16 after major overhaul, proven engineering with modern capabilities. Contact Fermat today to learn more about the SKIQ 16.